Hi all, Crypto Flow Zone here. Are you ready to elevate your Bitcoin trading to the next level? Today we're revealing how 3 powerful tools can work together to create a data-driven strategy that navigates Bitcoin's market cycles with precision. Imagine combining the analytical power of Bitcoin Magazine Pro's indicators, Rekt Capital's cycle predictions, and BitBo's power law insights into one comprehensive trading approach. Bitcoin Magazine Pro gives you essential macro trends and liquidity indicators like the MVRV Z-score. Make sure to use voucher code CFZ20 to access these game-changing metrics that signal market tops and bottoms with remarkable accuracy. Rekt Capital's cycle analysis adds critical timing insights, helping you anticipate key market shifts. Their research suggests the next cycle peak could arrive between September and October 2025, information that could be worth thousands to prepared traders. The final piece? BuyTBO's power law analysis reveals Bitcoin's long-term evaluation trajectory. By consulting the BuyTBO power law log rainbow chart, you instantly know if Bitcoin is overvalued or sitting on an attractive buy zone. When combined on a market pricing platform like TradingView.com, these tools create a multi-dimensional view of Bitcoin's behavior that cuts through market noise. Remember too that Bitcoin's price rallies historically align with M2 money supply expansion and halving cycles, a pattern that repeats with remarkable consistency. By integrating these 3 powerful perspectives, you're not just trading, you're trading with confidence backed by data, historical patterns, and proven indicators. So ready to transform your approach to Bitcoin? Visit CryptoFlowZone.com now to access these tools and start making smarter, more profitable trading decisions today.